What is data science?
Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge to extract valuable insights from data. It involves collecting, cleaning, analyzing, and interpreting large amounts of information to solve problems and support decision-making in various industries, from healthcare to finance and beyond.
Understanding data types.
Data comes in various forms, such as numerical, categorical, and textual data. Numerical data involves quantities and measurements, while categorical data represents groups or labels. Textual data includes information in words and sentences. Knowing how to handle each type is fundamental to selecting appropriate analysis methods in data science.
Core tools and technologies.
Key tools in data science include programming languages like Python and R, as well as software packages for data manipulation and visualization. Tools such as Pandas, NumPy, and Tableau help professionals clean data, perform analysis, and create visual representations, making complex data easier to understand and communicate.
Statistical thinking and machine learning.
The statistical thinking forms the backbone of data science, providing methods to summarize and interpret data. Machine learning uses algorithms to uncover patterns and make predictions. Together, these concepts allow data scientists to not just describe data, but also to anticipate future trends and behaviors.
Data ethics and responsible use.
Understanding the ethical considerations around data use is essential. This includes respecting privacy, ensuring data accuracy, and being transparent about limitations. Responsible data science helps build trust and avoids harm, highlighting why ethical principles are a core part of any data science foundation.